Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me back again with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Telegram account. So if you've been using Telegram for a certain while in order to have different forms of conversations with people, but now you want to permanently shut down your account, I'm going to guide you through the process. So for this, first of all, head over to your Telegram app that you've already downloaded on your mobile device, and also make sure that you're already logged into your account. Then go to settings and scroll downwards until you see Telegram FAQ. Tap on it. When you tap on Telegram FAQ, you'll be able to see different general questions here. So scroll upwards until you see the Your Account option, and there you'll see an option that says Delete Your Telegram Account. Tap on Delete Your Telegram Account. As soon as you do that, you're now directed towards the FAQ. So here is the answer to how do you delete your account. Here you can see the deactivation page on a blue link, so tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, you're now directed towards an interface like this where you'll have to enter your phone number. So first of all, enter your phone number in this section. So I'm just going to enter my phone number, and after doing this, tap on the next button. As soon as you tap on the next button, they'll want to send you a confirmation code. Remember that this confirmation code will be sent to you via your Telegram and not via your SMS. So head back to your Telegram app. So here, first of all, I'm just going to open this up in a Chrome browser so that it's easier for me to access. And then all I'm going to do is go to my Telegram and then tap on the done button. And here I'll be able to see in the chat section that there's a certain verification code that has been sent to me. So I'm just gonna copy the code for now. So here, as you can see, I'm just gonna copy the code and then head back to Chrome to see where I'm headed. So here I'm just gonna enter the phone number once again to make sure that everything comes into place. So here I'm just doing it all over again because and now I must have received the verification code, so I'm heading back to Telegram to see if there's a new verification code now. So here, as you can see, I've already received another verification code. So I'm just gonna enter the code over here and then copy the code now for myself. Then head back to Chrome and now enter the confirmation code in this section. Then tap on Sign In. After you tap on the sign in button, they're basically going to ask you why are you living, so you don't have to give them a particular reason on why you're living. You can simply tap on delete my account, and then they're going to ask you for a final approval of your account deletion if you're 100% sure that you want to delete your account. So if you want to delete your account, make sure you tap on yes, delete my account, and your account will get permanently deleted. But if you're not still sure about it, tap on nope, I'll give it another try. So in this manner, your account can be deleted on Telegram. I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to permanently delete your own account. If you do so, don't forget to let us know in the comment section below. Also do like, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video for you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around in the next video.